Hello world, hello Philippines, hello to Atara TV. Hello baby, what are you doing right now? Oh, you're playing a remote control car right now. Oh, I'm going to teach how this 2 year old baby gonna play her her remote control car. Okay, do it baby, come on, you push it, you do it. Come on baby, come on, you push it. Push up, you push down. Whoa, look at that! It's coming back to you, baby! Yay! Do it, come on, baby. Come on. Push it, push it. Push the button. Come on, baby. Wow, that's Atara playing her remote control car. See, do it, baby. Come on, you push this button. You press it up. Yay! You press it down to come back. Control it. Oh, yay! That's it, baby. Very good. Now do it, baby. Come on. Do it by yourself right now. Go. Press the button right now. Oh. Come on, baby. You can do it, baby. You can do it. You can play the remote control. Okay, let's then press it. Come on, press it now. Yo! I'm back right now. Press it. Yay! Very good, Atara. Come on. Oh, look at Atara sitting on the floor right now. Oh, we are outside our house right now. Come on, baby. Do it. Press it. Okay. She's learning how to control the control pad right now. Okay. What are you doing? Go. Press it. Come on, baby. Come on. Do it again. Prepare the car right now. That's it. Go. Press it. Press it again. Come on. Whoa, look at that. And come back right now. Press it. Whoa, very good. Wow. Do it again. Press it. Come on, baby. Go. Press the red. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, look at that. Oh. Come on. Okay, 1, 2, press. Press this one. Come on. Yay! Let's come back. Yay! Go, get it. Come on. Oh, Atara is now learning how to play this remote control car right now. Go, press it, baby. Come on. Is that the best gift for you, baby? A remote control? Oh, that is for, I guess, boy, not for a girl baby. But Atara actually loves it, playing it. So, again, do it, baby. Come on. You press this red one, red control. Okay? You press it. Oh, press it back. Again. Oh, you press it. This one, baby. Come on. That one. Okay. Push it. Push. You push it. Whoa! Back. Whoa! Whoa! Atara made it! Congratulations! You made it, baby! Once again, you press it. Again. Come, baby. Come, baby. Come, press the control key. Go. 1, 2, press it. Come on. Hard. Press it hard. You press it hard. Ooh! Very good. Again, push it down. Push it back. Come on. Get it. Come on. Oh, look at it. What is that? Come on, baby. What are you doing? You control. Oh, what are you doing? It's a duck walk. That is a duck walk. That's it. Come on. What are you doing with that? Okay, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Put it down and. Hello. Oh, that's your tita and Ate Luz right now. Okay, hello Ate Luz. Say hello to Atara's TV right now. Oh. Oh, what is it? I know. Hold this one. Come on. And okay, that's it. Again. Go. Push. You can do it, baby. Yo! Come on, press it. Press. Hard. Press it hard. Oh, still Tara is learning how to control the keyboard right now. Go, come on. Come on, baby. You push it hard. Not just so. You push it hard. Oh, look at that. Press it hard, like that. Press it hard, baby. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, baby. Come on. Come on. Don't give up. One more time. One more time. Come on. Come on, baby. Come here. No. It's wet. No. That is wet. Stay there. Come on. Stay there. Stay there. And sit down. You have to sit down. Come on, baby. Here. I know you can do it, baby. I know you can do it. No. You can do it, baby. Oh. Pick it up. Pick it up. Come on. You can do it, baby. Come on. Don't. Okay. Again. You press it again. Press it again. Press it again. Oh, look at that. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Press it. Oh, you see that? Oh, say hello, baby. Hello to your parents right now. Come on. Okay, that's it. Tara love her toy car remote control. Okay, is that the best gift? Oh, you can do it. She's love playing with her toy car right now. Oh, still learning how to play this her remote control car. Curious about it. She's curious about it. Okay, say hello, baby. Oh, are you sleepy right now? Are you? Not yet, not yet. Hello. Okay, say goodbye right now. Say goodbye, baby. Say hello. Say hello. You don't want to say hello right now. Say hello, baby. Come on. Goodbye, people. Goodbye. Say Tara hello. Say goodbye.